IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
No kasano ti ginaayat dagiti Pilipino kang runana kadagiti Ilocano ket ditoy met ang maayatan dagiti Gangannaet Manipod iti Ballasiw Taaw ang makakita kadagiti extraordinary adventures akas iti panakakita ken panakapadas da ang makasabayan iti bangka dagiti Dolphins ket friendly mammals nga nanaed iti uneg ti danom ngem kasapulan da alo magtutop no aghangis nga isu ti kay ayo dagiti tattao.
I wasn't really scared, but I did think for a second that we weren't going to see any because we had to ride around for a while. And at first I was thinking like, man, maybe we won't see them this morning. And then all of a sudden we like turned and started going towards one of the other boats and they're like, they see dolphins. I was like, whoa, how did they know? But then we got over there and there must have been like 20 or 30 dolphins jumping and it was super cool.
Ditoy asinaludsod tay pa dagiti Gangannaet ket Maragsakan ken excited da nakakita ka dagitoy ang marine mammals.
Went back up and it was fine. And I was getting a little discouraged, but then after a little bit, like we started turning around going back to shore and I thought that was it. But then, yeah, we saw the dolphins jumping out of the water and it was really cool to see. That was my first time like seeing dolphins in the wild as well.
Like, I agree with everything everyone's been saying. It was just it was really a beautiful experience. Yeah, I've seen dolphins, maybe on the internet, but there's something different about seeing them in their natural habitat with my own two eyes. It just gave me an even deeper appreciation for the Philippines, but specifically this region and just all there is to offer. The wildlife, the people, the beaches. It's just such a beautiful area with so many wonderful, unique things, and it was just a really special thing to be a part of.
Kabayatan na manamnama ang mapandan tumalan kita iti whale shark wenno butanding apagpanpanakel dagiti tagapagudpud Ilocos Norte. Para iti IFM News, Idol Lawrence Martinez, Tatak, IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.